In this video, we will create an Android app like this. This app uses only C++ language, no Java or Kotlin. It uses custom native app glue code made in C++. It uses OpenGL for user interface. It uses 3D text for font rendering. Open Android Studio. Click New Project. Click Native C++. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. It takes few minutes to configure project. Now click here, click Project Files. Now right-click. Under Open In, click Show in Files. Click Show Hidden Files. Now delete this folder. Delete this. Now go to App. Delete this folder. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Now open your browser. Go to github.com/yourpod/raj. Now click here. Now click Download. After download, extract it. After that, open it. Copy the source folder. Now, go to your Android project folder. Now, open App folder. Paste here. Now, open Android Studio. Open this file. Delete this. Delete this line. Now, restart the Android Studio. Now, click here to build and run the app. After few seconds, you will see the app. This app uses many libraries which are in this folder. The 3D fonts are in this folder. The C++ codes would be explained in future videos.